Hello and welcome to the EcoOils training course. In this video, we will talk about the organic products and how they are certified. Since 1st of January 2022, Regulation 2018-848 of the European Parliament and of the Council is the one applicable legislative act laying down the rules on production, certification, labeling, and advertising of organic food and feed. It applies to any organic products which are produced, processed, packed, or imported in the European Union. Thus, it applies also to all essential plants and all essential oils farmed, harvested, and produced in the European Union. Now, let's examine the process on how you can receive an organic certificate. Step 1. Transition to organic farming techniques for a period of 3 years. Step 2. Once the transition period is close to its end, select a certifying agency. Step 3. Prepare the application. Fill in all documents that are required by the certification body. You can do that on your own, or you can hire a consultant to help you in this process. Step 4. Submit the application and get ready for the on-site inspection. Step 5. The certification body will send a designated team to perform inspection on site, both on the document workflow and on the farm and in the distillery, to examine the applied farming techniques and to check the production process. Step 6. Certification body decision. If positive, the certificate will be issued. Once certified, you have to undergo an inspection every 2 years to prove and confirm your compliance with all the requirements for organic certification. After the biannual audit, the certificate will be renewed for another 2 years. To learn more about all requirements during the certification process or European Organic Logo, check Module 11 of the EcoOils training course. If you need more information on organic farming of essential plants or production of organic essential oils or marketing of organic essential oils, check the entire course at www.eco-oils.eu.